Hi guys, I have here today, I don't know what this is, some sort of a van lock. I think they used to lock the back of van doors maybe. Nice little core. Key looks like an American key. This is probably some sort of a knockoff. And it kind of works like this. There's no spring on it, it just pushes in. Onto the back, comes along, locks in the back, and that's it. So, let's pop it in the vise and see exactly what it takes to get it open. This has been loaned to me by my good friend Wez from Wez Picks. Anybody that doesn't know his video should check it out. Oh, by the way, it was quite a successful day because I've also borrowed these little beauties from Wez. I don't have a tension tool for that yet, so it's going to be a bit of fun later. Still, let's see if we can open this one. We'll start with this. It's at the top of the keyway, the 50 thousandths pry bar, and Lock tools, hybrid pick. Okay. I need a pick like this for the reach because it's quite a long way from the bottom of the keyway. So let's see. Click on 5, click on 4, nothing on 3, click on 2, click on 1, another click on 2, still nothing on 3. 4, click on 5. I feel like little serrated pins or something in there, I don't know what it is, and I'm certainly not going to take it apart because it's not mine. Unfortunately, Wez wants this back. Click on there. Feels like something at the back is holding it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, pin 5. And that is open. There's no spring on it, so move it like that and open it. Very fun little lock to pick. I will try and leave a link in this video to Wez for any of you that's not following him. Fantastic picker. Even better pick maker. Thanks for watching, guys.